Uway na kinongelam jong kesengsan perthai ke Bharatiya Janata Party. Ulong baladadon ke jingbam lehok ne ke jingbam sab ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Daiban pha toket da ke Central Bureau of Investigation CBI. Ya kene uni uhe jong keseng BJP ulapen pa wa ke jinge kendo bat kinong pathai khobor ha ke sautarik mentau benail ber arhajar arpuwe.
Cuba au ubalong uway na kinoyalam kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party ubakmi kaseng BJP hakani ke jala Meghalaya hakajing keren bat kinong pathai kubor ulong bakaseng BJP kan kershan bat don bat ke sarkar ya sunrop lang ke Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hapo kajing lam khamat jong kaseng National People's Party. Hakabedai bat kajing ong jong sembut Menteri Rangba ke jala ubak Preston Tensong balada kaseng BJP kamhun halor ke sensar khadar ke sarkar MDA ke BJP kalak ban mikno na ke sarkar cuba au ulapan kesan ya kajing keren ubak Preston Tensong. Hakabedai bat kajing keno bamsap Hagaru Hills Autonomous District Council cuba au ulong bakane ka kam ke song hak sarkar bat lada sngodon kam ke sarkar MDA kadai ban pha tokit sisendon da ka kan hun tokit Central Bureau of Investigation.
See, government is our political party. You might witness how inside a political party also sometimes anti-incumbency, this fact. There, we do not know, their party might have there. If things are common, then what can I do? But we are BJP, we are ruling in a Delhi, and our duty is to bring these things, whatever our vibrant, dynamic leader Modi ji has more than 200 programs he has announced. Now he has to be goes to the grassroots level through BJP. Our identity also there. There are other regional parties. We respect them. Their identity also there. So every identity will be there. But why MDA? Meghalaya Democratic Alliance means common minimum programs are there. We have to highlight. This is why today's meeting is a very fruitful meeting. How to come to discipline? How to come obedience? Because people say I have sacrificed. Obedience is better than sacrifice. That is there. So many factors which is I am honestly in conclusions I am taking the blame because it was my duty come little earlier, settle things. I am a leader. I am taking everything in my head only. I am taking the responsibility. These things happen. So now I believe that everybody will cooperate with me. Nothing will happen.
Katkum ga jingtip ko jonga habang ay kundu ya kido yalam hapo Delhi kila ai ka instruction ya ka ikaba gidi banle fi kamla man long kin ya ten ban le number kum wala krendu in charge ngi u chuao hagbe dei bat sibon ki central scheme ru ha nor u tu wan na po na bar state retip ba bengi na po ka state ngi tip ba ka don sibon ching ko tengila pan tip ki bat ki sa ai ka direction kumno ba ki dei ban implement hagbe dei ba ki central scheme khamtam na mar ki diki time bound project. You see, let them come. They will ask the document and proof because we have already submitted the RTI, like I will highlight before also, RTI copy which we received from the concerned department, from the concerned council, we have already submitted to them, supplied to them for the information.
This is regarding district council issue?
Yes.
But what about the coal?
Coal? You know, every day we have seen truck met an accident, people suffer. Just 2 weeks back, one truck met an accident in Madarsing, which shocked out the traffic the whole Shillong. So let the people also say something about this.